Oh no, are we still gonna mention the dragon too? Yep. Yep, oh yeah, it's a whole summary. And the human woman and the dwarves, don't forget those. Alright, what's up everybody? We are on Season 1, Episode 8 of That Time I Got Reincarnated as a Slime. And yeah, it's funny, this episode by the way is called Inherited Will. But it's funny how within basically the span of a single episode, we have on one hand established a main villain that I guess we'll be going after with Leon, right? Who did the super fucked up thing to Shizu, right? Like, he seems to have been the one that actually summoned her, although again, the show kept telling us that like 30 mages would be required in order to do something like that. So what is the deal with that? Is it just that Leon is crazy strong, or is Leon only just part of the entire group that actually did so? Do these other mages like work for him, or I don't know. I mean, maybe I'm kind of overthinking it too much. But that being said, it seemed like we had introduced his character through Shizu, and then something messed up would be happening with Shizu, where like, oh, it's because of the fact that she has this force within her, this demon or whatever, right, Ifrit, which she can't control, that's gonna, well, yeah, technically also force her to depart from everybody else, and she's gonna go her own way. She's gonna go after Leon herself. And for a second there, I was genuinely worried and convinced that we weren't gonna be meeting Shizu anytime soon anymore, and that she would genuinely be gone from the group. But now, this episode, we actually managed to free her seemingly from that demon entity. And so I think she will be able to be with us for much longer. So now there is actually a bond to be grown between Shizu and Slime, you know, Rimuru. Which, that's of course the prophecy that Rimuru was told about this entire time. It's like, oh, she's going to be destined to be with you or whatever, right? Or you're going to be on the same path for a long time to come. So if that's the case, then yeah, I guess this really was just the start of it, and we're gonna see how that all continues. So that's awesome. I wonder, yeah, what else we're gonna learn then technically about, well, we don't even need to learn too much more about, you know, what she's been through than these entire 50 years or whatever that she's already been in this universe apparently, but she... It definitely added a whole new layer to a character all of a sudden, where like she has these traumatic memories too of like things that she herself did, right? The little girl that she met, became friends with, and they had this animal who became hostile of Leon the first time, you know, the animal saw him. Very understandably so, but therefore there was the force always inside of Shizu that had her therefore take out literally the friend that she just made, including the animal and stuff. And it's like she just has to live with that fact. She has to live with that reality, and that's why always she did go her own way. And even though she made friends here and there, I guess she always would depart from them in the end, because she would realize that like, I'm about to bring them in a situation at some point where where I'm gonna put myself against them, most likely, right? Because there's nothing I can do about it. And so this will finally allow us, she's finally come across somebody with slime that's freed her from this entity, I think, from this demon. And so now, you know, she no longer has to withdraw all the time, right? She no longer has to separate herself from anybody she meets eventually. So this is gonna be a brand new awakening for her too, I guess. And so I'm just super curious to see how all of it is going to play out. And yeah, that's what I'm just definitely looking forward to. So of course, guys, if you enjoy my reactions to That Time I Got Reincarnated as a Slime, you will be able to get early access to the next 16 episodes straight away over on my Patreon page, which is going to be linked on top of the description. Go and check it out. Over there, we should already, honestly, yeah, I think we should be close to wrapping up the first season. If not, we've already done so. So yeah, there's a bunch for you to binge. You can, of course, check out my full-length reactions there. Which means that you'll be able to see my reactions to the episodes in their entirety. And you can also sign up as a free member and watch at least the next 2 episodes right now. So no matter what, I hope to see you there. But for now, let's dive into this new episode. Yeah. You can't blame yourself for it, though. I mean, I know she knows that, but she still feels guilty nonetheless, of course. I was about to say, what do you think he's been doing?
私という人がいたって覚えていてほしい。
Remember my story and know that I lived.
しずさんは朦朧としながらも何があったかを語ってくれた。ピリノが死んで、私は魔王の側近として使い続けて。
The Demon Lord, that's what he's known as.
出会えたの。誰に？勇者。
The hero?
勇者？
Are you talking about Slime now already, or?
勇者。
There's nobody else you met in the meantime, did you? I don't know.
戦いがあって、
Oh, maybe she did.
魔王は城を捨て、私
Oh,
をしんがりとして残した。
leaving me behind as the rear
炎の
guard.
精霊であるイフリートの意志なのか、それとも自分の意志なのか、
But who's the hero?
今でもよくわからない。
Holy shit, who is she fighting? Why does it look like herself, kinda? Very similar looking character. Same mask and everything.
ベルトラを封印したのとはまた別の人間なのかな。
Oh.
すぐ殺されると思った。でも話しかけてきた。
What is going on, man? This is okay.
どうしてここにいるのか、
Ask me why I was there.
どうやって生きてきたのか。魔人である私の話を信じてくれて。
Imagine.
もう
As in a female mage, I guess, right? It's funny how she's got the marks on her eyes too, which reminds me of Eren actually in Attack on Titan.
勇者に彼女に保
The
護され、
hero took me in.
その仮面は彼女がくれたんだ。
Why does it kind of seem like she's met her own future self or something? This is
私の中に
weird.
イフリートを抑え込めるって。ちょっと待って。
I've seen too many time travel shows. That's why it's getting me to develop theories like that.
彼女と共に旅をして、この世界のことや魔法を教わって、あの人は姿を消した。
Went her own way.
私を残して。
Just like you would, usually.
どうして？わからない。どうしてだろう。
This is very mysterious. I'm trying to figure out what the deal with all this is, man.
とまた会えるから。
Because I feel like there's more to it. There's obviously more to it. That's why they're leaving the identity of this hero unknown as well, but
私は強くなろうって決心した。苦しんでいる人を助けたいって。
okay, okay, okay. Oh my god.
結構
Holy
頑張ったん
shit.
だ。
That's a large dragon
何十年も
too.
だよ。偉いと思わない？
Yeah, she's had a whole Mushka Tensei journey already, I guess.
英雄って呼ばれるようになって、一歩間違えたらイフリートを解き放つかもしれない。
Yep.
そう考えると怖くなって、このままじゃまた大切な人を。
Yep. Always had to live with that reality, that future possibility.
だから私は引退して
Retired and became an instructor.
指導者？異世界から来た子たち
The
の。
Kingdom of Ingracia was a school for
結
kids.
構いるんだな。別の世界からこっちの世界に来た人間が。
Oh.
スライムさんが言ってたゲームのセリフを教えてくれたのも
Oh
そ
shit.
のうちの一人だよ。
Yeah, that's how she recognized it.
僕は悪いスライムだよ。
I don't know, man. Goes to show you, but I don't have enough experience with those kinds of video games, apparently. I've never seen a slime before. The only slime I could think of was Ditto in Pokemon.
そうね。今日は何をしようかな。私の元を去っていった子もい
Holy
たけど。
shit. Who's this kid?
でも
That kid looks like a main character.
グランドマスター？
Did he become the
僕の
Grandmaster?
ギルドを統括する最高責任者。
Overseeing all the guilds.
大したもんじゃないか。
He's not one of the ones we've seen, right?
大したもの。私が教えられることはもうなくなったと思った。そして寿命が残り少ないのか、イフリートの意識を抑え込めなくなって。
Nearing the end of my life. Is she technically on a deathbed right now? What the fuck is going on?
一つだけあったから。旅に出 思い出したこと？私を召喚した男。
My search for the man who summoned me. Yeah, okay.
探して。復讐したい。
Let's go after Leon.
わからないわ。
Revenge is never the greatest motivation, but
会って確かめたいことがあったの。
why he summoned
だから
her.
私は。ねえ、スライムさん。名前はなんて言うの？俺はリムルって。
No, what was your actual name?
本当の名前。
I've already forgotten. Wasn't it Satoru? Like
俺
Gojo?
はサトル。
Yeah.
三上サトル。
Mikami Satoru.
私は静江。伊沢静江。
Izawa Shizue. A lot of Z's.
サトルさん。お願いがあるんだけど。聞いてくれる？いいよ。何でも言ってくれ。私を食べて。
Eats me. Oh god. Oh.
私にかけ。
Yeah, I understand in what kind of way.
呪い。食べてくれ。
Preserving her. That's what, you know, you can interpret that in different ways, but we won't talk about that.
この世界に取り込まれたくない。
How does she mean that?
お願い。
Absorbed by the world in the case she dies? Like,
私を君の中で眠らせてくれないかな。
that's one way to put it. Oh, man.
いいよ。
I think Slime would have rather preferred it the other way around, but
レオン・クロムウェル。
Leon Cromwell. Damn, so now we're still not gonna have Shizu accompany us, huh? Physically?
そいつに何を確かめたかったんだ？
I just thought that this would have been good news and that she would be able to join us along.
私という人間がいたこと。
Acknowledge that I, this human, had existed, perhaps.
だけかもしれない。
What does she mean?
それにもしあの子たちが。
If those kids could be saved and returned to their world?
約束しよう。三上悟。いや、リムルテンペストの名において。
Both.
魔王レオン・クロムウェルにきっちりとあなたの思いをぶつけてやるよ。
Damn. Fucking tragic, honestly, man. I can't... We just got like a whole 10-minute scene like this, dude. Bunch of context, a bunch of... Wow!
運命の人よ。安らかに眠れ。
Why?
俺の中で。
Rest in peace within me?
捕食者を使用しますか？
She's not already technically died, has she? I don't get it, dude. Why the white hair all of a sudden?
ことなく幸せな夢を見られるように。
She's not technically died already, has she? Fuck, dude. Okay, well, she is alive in there.
ここにいたんですね。もう私を置いていかないで。
Wow. Man, got the Demon Slayer outfit and everything. Look at that. She's getting young again. Exactly in the moment. Yeah, from the moment we saw her. Wow. Wow, dude. This is fucking sad, man.
皆さんもお見舞いですかな？リグルドさんもですか？はい。シズ殿の着替えをお持ちしたところです。
And they were all planning on meeting her and giving us stuff. And now they're gonna find that she's no longer here. Oh. What?
我が主。そのお姿を。
Yo,
その子が。
did Slime just get a... Why did Slime get a body now? I mean, I saw in the opening already that apparently he would get a body. But what's this about?
行っちまったのか。本当にルールの旦那なんでやんすか。
All we need is to hear him talk.
見くびるな。姿形が変わったぐらいでわからなくなるとでも思う。
Yeah, no, he can smell it. He can smell the scent. Still has the slime scent, I bet.
なんかちっこいしずさんっぽいっつうか。
Yeah.
本当だよ。ほれ。
Yeah, oh, see? And he can just willfully transform back.
見事なもんでやんすね。
Honestly, why would you want to be a human, though?
シズさんを食べたの。イフリートを食べたみたいに。それが俺にできる唯一の想像だった。
Oh, right. It's basically because he consumed her that he can now turn into a human.
悪かったな。
いや、それがシズさんの望みだったのなら仕方ないさ。
すまんな、エレン。
Can he turn into a dragon then,
かも
too?
しれないけど。
Nah, they'll be able to... Yeah. Exactly, man. Like, she should have just said goodbye to all the other
お前
guys.
たちと旅ができて楽しかったって言ってたよ。ちょっと危なっかしいとも言ってたけどな。
あ、おいこら、なんだその目は。
だってね。
あ、お前だってこの前落とし穴にはまってたじゃねえか。あれさんが急に押すからだよす。
ちょっと私のせいにしないで。あの時は突然。しんみりするよりこういう方がこいつららしくていいよな。
Yeah, that's true.
そうだろ、しずさん。
They're meant to be happy adventurers.
こいつらしずさんに頼りすぎだな。
本当に世話になったな。そろそろおいとまするよ。
国に帰るのか？
ああ、ギルドマスターに調査結果とシズさんのことも報告しなきゃならんからな。ここのことは悪いようには報告しないで。
You better not, because I was worried you'd become our enemies eventually, man.
何か困ったことがあれば頼るといいですよ。
おう、そうさせてもらうよ。
旦那、最後に一つだけお願いがある。
Okay, what's that?
もう一度人の姿に
Take your human form again? Why? So we can shake hands or something, I guess? He's got the mark and everything too. Yeah, it's really interesting.
一体なんだ？
That's why I was like asking myself... Wow. Calling him Shizu now? That's why I was asking myself, why does Rimuru kind of look female in this world? In the opening. Look at that, man. They're saying goodbye to Shizu through Rimuru.
本当にしずさんの最後の旅仲間がこいつらでよかった。
Yeah, could have been much worse.
ところでお前らの装備ボロッボロだな。
Oh shit! He's sending them back with some gifts, huh? Yeah, I don't think they're gonna be struggling as much with the upcoming fights. I wonder how that guildmaster is gonna feel. Would that guildmaster want to actually make an alliance, or would he... Oh wow, prototypes. I think they feel pretty well. Egghead. Oh shit. Oh, okay, it's just a good reputation. I was worried for a second. Yeah, they've got a status, man. Dwarven national treasures.
悲しみを吹き飛ばすかのように大騒ぎした後、彼らは去っていった。そのたくましさを俺も見習わなければなるまい。
This is so happy, joy. Honestly, this whole episode has me kind of mixed because it's both really happy and really sad for me.
少女は世界を渡り、くしくも炎の力を手に入れた。少女はその力を人々を守ることに使ったが、炎は少しずつ彼女を蝕み、やがて少女は炎を御することができなくなった。
It really sounds like a Pokemon tune, this does.
少女の名は静江伊沢。炎の最上位精霊イフリートを宿し、爆炎の支配者と謳われた英雄だった。
Conqueror of Flames. That's the legend. I guess he's gonna go and spread it, huh? Through his own physical form.
俺は約束を守る男なのだ。こうして何ということもない普通の人生を歩むはずだった男は通り魔に刺されて。
Oh no! Are we still gonna mention the dragon too? Yep. Oh yeah, it's a whole summary. And the human woman and the dwarves, don't forget those. This is so feel good, dude. A turbulent new era with this lone slime at the center of it all. Yeah, it's kind of feeling pretty fucking epic, man. Okay, what the fuck is this? It's dry as hell over here. Who are you? Oh shit, it's an ugly pig. Oh, is this gonna be... I thought it might have been Vesta, but... I don't think it is. Give you a name and some food. He's got the marks too, so is that like related to Gelmud? Oh no, I don't like the crow mask at all. I think I would. I think I'd rather die here than go with you. Fuck. You made the wrong choice, buddy. Geld? That's Dutch for money. I can know. The Orc Disaster. Oh shit, what the fuck are you teasing here, show? Alright, well anyway guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and of course you can get early access to the next 16 episodes straight away over on my Patreon page, which is going to be linked on top of the description. Go and check it out. You can also sign up as a free member and watch the next 2 episodes right now, so I'll see you there.